1974 Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe Sunroof Delete. Price: $39,950. Location: Arizona, United States. The 1974 Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe Sunroof Delete is one of the rarest air-cooled Porsche models ever produced, built in an extremely limited production run of only around 528 units. This matching numbers example represents a remarkable opportunity to own a genuine piece of Porsche history. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, finding one of these rare Carreras is becoming increasingly difficult, making this classic sports car a true automotive treasure. The car is currently presented in a striking red exterior with a cream interior, creating a timeless and elegant appearance. However, what makes this Porsche even more fascinating is its original factory specification. It was delivered new in the beautiful bitter chocolate exterior finish, paint code 408, perfectly complemented by a luxurious cinnamon leather interior with matching carpets, color code 31. Restoring the car to its original factory colors would dramatically enhance both its authenticity and long-term collector value. The heart of this Carrera is Porsche's legendary 2.7-liter, naturally aspirated flat-six engine producing approximately 175 horsepower. Power is sent to the rear wheels through the highly desirable Type 915 5-speed manual transmission, giving drivers the pure and engaging experience that has made the Porsche 911 one of the greatest sports cars ever built. The mechanical package also includes Bosch CIS fuel injection, four-wheel disc brakes, and the unmistakable forged 16-inch Fuchs alloy wheels that have become iconic among Porsche enthusiasts. The equipment list continues with a collection of classic Porsche features, including supportive bucket seats, a leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel, VDO instrumentation, an analog clock, a Blaupunkt radio, Bosch taillights, a single exhaust system, and the famous whale-tail rear spoiler that defines the Carrera's aggressive appearance. This particular example also features an aftermarket slant-nose front-end conversion, giving it a unique look, while offering future owners the option to preserve its custom styling or restore it back to its original factory configuration. Although the car is currently not running, its matching numbers status and exceptionally limited production make it an outstanding restoration candidate. Rare Porsches from the early 1970s continue to appreciate in value as collectors seek authentic air-cooled models with documented history. A carefully executed restoration could transform this Carrera into a show-quality collector's car while preserving one of the most desirable chapters in Porsche's legendary heritage. The 1974 Porsche 911 Carrera Sunroof Delete Coupe isn't simply another classic sports car. It is a rare investment, an engineering masterpiece, and a symbol of Porsche's golden era. Opportunities to purchase one of only 528 examples don't come around often.